Hi, based on countless hours of research and comparisons, we selected the best products available in this year. When we prepared this top list, we reviewed several products. We analyzed the features, performance, and the value for money of each and every model, and read many reviews from customers too. Watch this video about the best models of this year and make sure to check the products links below. Sit back and enjoy.
Westinghouse offers a full range of microwave ovens, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Each microwave is equipped with an easy-to-read LED display, multiple cooking power levels, convenient quick cook settings, and a child safety lock feature. Whether you're looking for small, simple, or elegant, with Westinghouse, you are sure to find the perfect microwave to suit your needs.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Convection Microwave Oven. It's a really generous size. It's 1 cubic foot, and it's also 1,000 watts of power. The exterior is brushed stainless steel, as is the frame around the front. It also has a nice touchpad control here. Has a nice tinted window, and you open it by pressing this button, and the door opens like so. And you'll notice inside it's also all stainless steel. The other thing is it has a removable grill rack, which you use in two different positions, the high position or the low position, depending on what you're going to do. And you'll notice inside there's also a carousel, and this has a 12-inch glass plate on it. It's totally removable so that it's easy to clean. I'm going to put that back inside. Also, you'll notice that it has a lot of nice features and functions here. I'm going to go over a few of them with you, but not all of them. You have 9 presets on the top, also a clock, which the clock is programmed by using the clock function and then just putting in the time. The clock function is here. Now the 9 presets have multiple sizes when you get into the presets. So some of the most often used ones say popcorn, 1.7 ounce size, 3 ounce size, 3.5 ounce size. The same thing goes for potato. You have 1, 2, or 3 potatoes, and then you would normally just hit start to use the function. It also has presets for beverage, reheat, fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables. You also have roast chicken, cake, and pizza. In the next section here you have your functions. You have microwave, convection, convection roast, convection fast bake, grill combo, keep warm, defrost, and defrost works by both weight and I believe food type. Also has a memory function. And in here you'll notice there's a number pad. It also has degrees on it, so you could do fast setting degrees when you're using the baking type functions. Like I mentioned, it has a clock, stop and clear function, kitchen timer, and also your start button. The great thing about this product is it's a generous size. You can use it when you need an extra oven in your kitchen when you're entertaining, but it also meets your everyday needs for microwave cooking. The great thing about it too is it has opportunity to use it in combination cooking. So you can do a lot of the features and function in combination with each other. You can also do a lot of programming with it. It's really convenient and easy to use. It's beautifully styled, has lots of great features and functions. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Convection Microwave Oven.
Westinghouse offers a full range of microwave ovens, so you can choose the one that's right for you. This simple and sleek rotary microwave is equipped with easy-to-use dials for adjusting cooking power levels and cook times. Whether you're looking for small, simple, or elegant, with Westinghouse, you can be sure to find the perfect microwave to suit your needs.